Hey, how's it guys? Paul Nell here again. It's been a while since my last video. I don't even remember if my last video was in English or Afrikaans, so I'm just going to speak English just to make sure. So it's been quite a while since I recorded my last skit, my last video, just to give you guys an update of how it's going. I didn't want to really give updates if there was nothing to give updates on. So what's been happening is the consulate. Okay, so at the moment it is the 3rd of March 2021. So what happened is the US consulate closed their borders for South Africa because of the COVID variant that we have, but they've opened it up now for H2A workers because we're I can't remember the word today. Oh, damn it. We're necessary workers. They need us there. So anyway, but we can go over now again. So what's been happening is everyone's been moaning about the agents. Now look, I'm not saying anything bad about the agents, don't get me wrong. But everyone is saying that they're not hearing about the agents, or they're not hearing back from the agents, which was a bit worrying. I mean, the one agency I went through, they did email me quite frequently, but I didn't really see anything happening. I was seeing people going over, people saying that they're flying in a week or 2 weeks or getting their visa sorted out. And you know, I still don't even have a job offer or anything, which is fine. I do understand because I've got no experience whatsoever. So I didn't expect to get a job offer. So what happened is I decided, you know what, my best chance will probably be to just, well, actually, even one of my friends, who's got lots of experience going over to America, he's also heard nothing from anybody. Now there must be a reason for that, but I'm not dissing anybody or saying anything bad about the agents. They're doing a fantastic job. This is just my experience. So yeah, what I decided to do this past weekend was just to email like 200 farmers. I went on to a listing on a classified site, sent my CV plus my video, my intro video, off to like 200 farmers, just a mass email, and yeah, surprisingly enough, you know, 3 or 4 farmers came back and said sorry, they don't have space, or sorry, they're not doing the H2A thing this year. But then, funny enough, one farmer actually said yes, he'll give me a chance. You know, he likes, you know, the way he said I'm well spoken in my video, and he likes the, you know, what I have to say and all of that, and he thinks he's going to give me a chance. He has been burned before with people coming to the farm that's got no experience, but yeah, but he said he's willing to give me a chance, definitely. So yeah, what happened is I emailed him back and I said to him, listen here, great, thank you for the opportunity. He also said that he'll get his agents to get in contact with me. Obviously I'm not getting through an agent because I got the job without an agent. So he said he'll get his agency to get in contact with me. So I said to him, thank you so much, I really appreciate the opportunity. Please get your agency to get in contact with me so we can get the paperwork going, because I know there's a bit of a backlog at the consulate. So yeah, that's how far we got. I still haven't heard from him. That was yesterday. I sent him that email yesterday asking him to get back. He hasn't emailed me back, but obviously these guys are busy. So that's where we are at the moment, you know, from somebody that's got no experience on a farm to actually getting a potential job offer. It might be a stroke of luck. It might be luck that I got this job. I don't know what it is. It might be the man upstairs that's looking out for me, or it might just be that I was at the right place, the right time, the right email, the right guy. So yeah, I've got a job offer. Hopefully it pans out. Hopefully it you know, becomes a reality, and you know, I'll be able to post this video, because the moment I get to America, I'll post this video. If I don't get in, don't get to go work on a farm this year on an H2A visa, I'm not posting this video. So yeah, if you're watching this video, stay tuned, keep watching, because the journey is starting. Anyway, thanks very much guys, chat to you later.